Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, you can check it right here. We can unroll the top bar, so simply swipe your finger from the top to the center, just like that. And here we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Simply tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it is the icon changed. What is more, we've got it notified right here, which simply means that we've got the timer applied. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time, from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So of course you can change it just by tapping on another option, 5 or 3 seconds, or you can turn it off by tapping on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.